Picture this, a sleek smartphone with cutting-edge features, a massive 108MP camera, and 120Hz refresh rate at a price that won't empty your wallet. The Infinix Note 50X 5G is making waves, and today, we're diving into the facts and rumors to uncover why this phone could redefine the mid-range market. Ready to find out what makes this phone so intriguing? The smartphone world is buzzing, and for good reason. Infinix might just shake things up with its upcoming Note 50X 5G. From a massive display to an impressive camera setup, early leaks suggest this device is packed with features that sound too good to be true for its expected price. Let's break down these rumors to see what's potentially in store. The rumored 6.73-inch punch-hole display is designed to impress. It offers 1080 by 3120 pixels resolution, promising sharp visuals whether you're streaming videos or scrolling through social media. But here's the real kicker, the 120Hz refresh rate. This means smoother animations, gaming, and a more responsive touch experience. A feature like this, typically reserved for high-end phones, could put the Note 50X 5G ahead of its competitors in the mid-range category. Let's talk about what powers this phone. According to reports, the Infinix Note 50X 5G will house a Snapdragon 4 series chipset. While not a flagship processor, it's reliable for everyday tasks like browsing, watching videos, and light gaming. Plus, with 5G support, you're all set for faster downloads and better streaming. Here's where the rumors get exciting, a 108MP main camera. If true, this would be groundbreaking for a phone in this price range. Imagine capturing incredibly detailed photos, even in challenging conditions. Complementing this is a 32MP ultra-wide lens for those stunning group shots and landscapes, and an 8MP telephoto lens for crisp zoomed-in images. Selfie lovers aren't left out either, with a 32MP front camera that promises clear and vibrant results. Add features like 10x zoom-in, HD video recording, and you've got a camera setup that could rival much pricier smartphones. Battery life is often a deal-breaker, but the Infinix Note 50X 5G seems ready to deliver. A rumored 5,800 mAh battery means you'll likely get through a full day without needing a recharge. And when you do need to charge, the 120W fast charging reportedly fills up the battery in just 55 minutes. That's a huge win for anyone tired of waiting hours for their phone to charge. Different users have different needs, and Infinix seems to understand that. Rumors suggest 3 storage options: 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, 0.8GB RAM, 256GB storage, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. Whether you're a casual user or someone who needs plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos, there's an option for you. Plus, having up to 12GB of RAM on a mid-range device could make multitasking smoother than ever. So, when can you get your hands on this device? Industry insiders hint at a launch between January and February 2025. While pricing details are still under wraps, the focus on mid-range affordability suggests it will be competitively priced. If Infinix delivers on these features within a reasonable price range, the Note 50X 5G could easily outshine its rivals. Mid-range phones are no longer just about affordability, they're expected to deliver quality too. The Infinix Note 50X 5G, if the rumors hold true, ticks both boxes. Features like the high-resolution display, impressive camera setup, and fast charging aren't just nice to have, they're becoming necessities in today's smartphone market. For consumers, this means more value for every dollar spent. A smartphone isn't just a device, it's an extension of your daily life. With features like these, the Infinix Note 50X 5G could be the perfect blend of performance, style, and affordability. If even half of these rumors come true, the Infinix Note 50X 5G will be one to watch. It's not just about specs, it's about giving users more than they expect without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Could this be your next smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for updates on this highly anticipated device.